Welcome to $50 Cosplays, the challenge where we attempt to craft cinema quality costumes with less than $50 worth of junk. This week we're doing
Poison Ivy.
Will we make it, or will we absolutely blow our budget? $50 Cosplay! This is the best. Oh my gosh.
There's
Look
more.
at this is perfect. Back off, bugs. I am poisoned. $1.50 each.
Oh my gosh.
This is within budget.
It is very in budget.
It's when she turns sad. Because she goes autumn. Or would that be pensive? Now I need to... Nope. Now I need to figure out if they've got swimming costumes. Well, if
like
all
that.
else fails. Is this good?
I mean, it's red.
That is red.
It's very red.
$11.50. There's no swimming costume. Should I go back to the sex costume?
I think it's your best option.
Just even this.
I mean, yeah, that's pretty done.
Attack you with my poison. I couldn't find a swimming costume in there, so I'm hoping to kind of stumble across another $2 shop. Otherwise, I will be gluing it to my skin. I don't want to do that. So there is hope. There is a Vinnie's. Let's just hope that it's still open because it's like 6 o'clock at night and it's closed. So I will try again tomorrow morning at a Salvo's. But for now, we're going to go wait in line for some vegan burger in Newtown. Soul Burger. Gonna do it.
Will it be good? We'll let you know.
I'll let you know.
Good?
Yeah. Okay, I have $17 left on my budget. All the shops closed yesterday, so I'm trying to quickly, before I have to go back to work, find a swimming costume for the base of this costume. Come along. So I haven't been able to find a swimming costume, but I have been able to find a corset. So that could work. I think. I got my stuff. I also bought 2 canvases for like $4 each for my artworks on Zaraland. You can check me out on _Zaraland on Instagram. But yeah, I bought the corset, I bought a little bralette thing. We'll see what happens. We did it. Well, I did it. A cosplay for $50 and under $50. It's a bit of a... Let's see what I picked up. So as you saw in my excitement in Newtown, I was able to find the vines, some accent ones as well, which I think are beautiful. And from my local $2 shop, I was able to pick this beauty up, and it has little sprigs in it, which is just gonna make the most beautiful detail. We're also able to pick up the autumn leaves for some accents of the poppies as well. From Vinnie's, I was able to find, I got a bralette here, $4, and I was able to find a corset for $8. I was a little worried that the leaves wouldn't cover it or would be a little sheer, and so I found a barbecue cover with this beautiful green, and so I'm going to hot glue that onto the bodice so that when I start hot gluing the leaves on, if there is anything that I've missed, it won't be so noticeable. And last but not least, we've got the poison ivy wig. And I'm very excited to see what all this looks like when I put it together. Stick with me and I will show you how I kind of fudge my way through building a poison ivy costume. Okay guys, so some things that you will need for this cosplay are the following. Scissors, needle and thread, pins, lip balm, your glue gun sticks, your leaves, veggie chips, and your glass of wine. So what I'm thinking about doing is unlacing the corset. It's gonna be frustrating to put back together, but I'm gonna do it. This is what I do for you people. I'm gonna set one aside. I'm gonna reintroduce my lining. I just want it to be a bit of a barrier. I am puzzled. When all else fails, Google. Fast forward, get to the sewing. Corset cover. 45 minutes! Oh my gosh, there's the sewing. Sewing. Load! Ah, ooh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is taking too long. just gonna hot glue it. So what I'm gonna do, I think, to make it the best is to cut it out in panels. I'm just gonna go to the boning, pin it there, the whole way down. So whilst it finishes there, I'm gonna cut to about here so that I've got a little extra to play with. Hot glue! It is killing me a little bit to hot glue this, but you know what? $8. It was $8. I'm gonna cover this with the leaves so it doesn't have to be perfect and this movement is okay. So I'm gonna do the rest and then I will come back. Okay, I have completely covered the corset. So what I'm gonna do is cut the leaf right at the base of it so that it's a complete leaf. We don't need any stems on that. So I'm just gonna keep going.
It's a bizarre reality that we face in life.
I have been doing this for 3 hours now, and all I have done is cover the corset. And it has come out pretty good. I'm happy with it. I now know how all the queens from RuPaul's Drag Race feel when they have a very limited amount of time to make costumes or designs and dresses and girls. Oh, I'm gonna watch Stranger Things. Oh, he's gonna die. He's gonna die. Oh, girl. I am rapt at how this is going. Rapt. This is gonna help. Dick. What 2 dicks? What 2 dicks? Oh, she gonna go down. Oh. This is probably not gonna help my time. Ooh. I feel like a salad spinner bucket is actually quite appropriate for this job. Now, I guess I'm gonna do the same for the small one. Maybe have another bucket. I find it quite fun that my mum has just an abundance of Tupperware lying around out. This is where Tupperware comes to die. You know what they say about small leaves? Small leaves, small scissors. Anybody else find it strange? In Stranger Things, no, 11, all she has known is this life inside the lab with the experiments and stuff. That's all she's known, that's all she knows. But when she goes out and she finds Mike and the boys and they say where she comes, she goes, bad place. How does she know it's bad? All she knows is pain, but how does she know that pain is bad? Because it hurts? Who told her that pain is a hurt and that hurt is a bad thing and that these people were bad people? Okay, this is what I have so far. I have these, the bigger ones, these are going to be for the base of the costume. I have the smaller ones for accents and stuff, and I have also separated out the vine ends to make some, I don't know, just cute detail, something different. I have separated the bigger leaves. So all in all, I've got a lot of stuff and I'm really excited. So let's get to it. I am going to start gluing the leaves on. I think what I'm going to do first is glue them along the bottom. How am I going to do this? Yeah. Just gonna. Okay, so place and glue. Place and glue. That's the way of the future. It's exactly what they've tried to do with City, by the way. Bloody hell. Whoop, whoop.
Oh, looks like the most boring salad. You pour a bit of wine in there.
Pour a bit of wine anywhere, Will, really.
Especially the mouth.
Number one pouring place for wine, the mouth. Oh yeah. Yeah, burns my hands. Burns my hands. It's a hot tip. Don't touch the hot tip. It's gonna be awkward when I have to go to the back. That's what you're here for.
I'll put on the corset.
Yeah. Sweet leaf. Oh yes, very good. Thank you.
We're not sponsored by veggie chips. I need to get them out of frame.
Even dogs also have veggie chips. With zip.
I don't know if that's a great marketing.
They're so anyone might like them.
There we go, we got it.
Wait, recording? What is that? That is not a vein. Go on, mate.
What's happening?
Well, I have finished almost the bodice, and I was
Deciding to decorate the boot.
Yeah, I was gluing the boot together, and see, this is great. But the thing is, trying to get it off my foot was quite difficult because the zipper only goes halfway, and because I glued it, it had gotten, the elastic didn't elasticize. And so I decided to cut it, but I cut it too far, and now the zipper's completely off, and here it is.
There's a zipper.
My logic, I have zip.
Oh, the zipper's.
Yeah.
Get it? Did you get it?
I did. I'm trying to find the zipper.
What? Put it to boot.
What?
No, I tried down the joke. I feel as though this cosplay is really coming along really well. The bodice is looking amazing. The wig is still a wig. The shoes are debacle, so I will have to figure out something else for that. But right now I think what I'm going to do is, so I saw Cosplay, she had sleeves that kind of like capped sleeves. So I think I'm gonna do something like that. So be prepared for a lot more hot gluing. I said this was going to be cheap. I didn't say that this was going to be easy nor quick. Thank you. So what I was able to get was this bralette from just the Salvos, and it actually fits me. Everything just kind of came together. Everything is coming up Millhouse. So what I'm planning on doing is getting the leaves and cutting them out. I'm going to just glue on there and wrap it around. Okay, what I have done is I've completely finished covering the straps with the strips of the leaves. And I have also finished off one of the sleeves, which I think looks amazing. I'm so glad that I found this stuff with the little tendrils and the hangy bits, and it's just gonna be so good. So I took the leaves and I cut them off, and I left a little bit of the stem attached at the end. I would then hot glue the back and press it onto the strap there. And for extra measure, I cut up little strips from the bigger leaves, put glue on those as well, and just wrapped it around the base of the stem, just to ensure that nothing is going to move. Final reveal is gonna be very soon, and I am excited to see what this all looks like. Thank you. I just wanted to show you my technique of making sure that this is falling correctly is by wrapping the bra around a pillow. This is so American Pie, it is insane. Well, that's it, guys. It is a $50 cosplay that is very doable, very time consuming. So if you have a spare 5 days, this is really good. I think the greatest find for me was this corset. $8. I mean, you just never know what you're gonna find at Vinnie's. I hope that you enjoy. If there are any other cosplay challenges that you would like me to tackle, leave a comment below. Subscribe, like, do all those amazing YouTube things to show your support for us. But that's it. Poison Ivy out. My pretties.